Hi, good morning, and thank you for joining us today for the Milestones PM Plus webinar. My name is Brent Gossett, and I'm a partner at Passage Technology. Today, I'm joined by Jerry Reed, also a partner with Passage Technology. And today, as promised, we're going to show you some of the new features of Milestones PM Plus, and we'll also cover our new release plan. As an added bonus, we're going to show you how Milestones PM Plus can be used to address common problems and how your organization manages its portfolio of projects. By the end of this webinar, we hope you'll see how Milestones PM Plus can help your organization to deliver the right projects right and be familiar enough with our new features to want to learn more about how you can use them in your organization. First, a little bit about our company. Passage Technology was founded in 2008 as a Salesforce.com partner to deliver innovative products and new CRM application extensions for applications just like yours, or organizations just like yours. We decided to leverage our expertise in project management and CRM in order to launch the first of several Salesforce.com App Exchange products. We launched our first project management app, Agile Project Manager, in May 2010, and about 50 organizations still use this product today. We respectfully listen to customers, a skill that enables us to continually improve our products and processes. We hire project management and CRM experts who will get the job done quickly and with high quality. Our clients turn to us for our expert advice, cloud solutions, and ability to turn great ideas into tangible outcomes. We've taken great pride in the strong business relationships we've established with our customers. And with that, I'm going to turn it over to Jerry Reed to educate us about Milestones PM Plus.
Thanks, Brent. This morning I'm going to show you what Milestones PM Plus can do through the eyes of Andy. Andy is a director at his organization, and he's a very busy leader and concerned employee. He's got a very long list of projects that he monitors closely. He's always receiving new demands on his time. He has limited staff and always being peppered by unplanned calls, meetings, emails, and organizational changes. His responsibilities include setting expectations with customers, internal and external, as well as ensuring project success and prioritizing his work and the work of others. Here are just some of Andy's challenges. Before Milestones PM Plus, Andy was maintaining a spreadsheet of all of his projects. He had an existing process to manage project kickoffs using a monthly meeting and had to maintain another spreadsheet to keep track of who was actually working on each project. He had 3 flavors of projects: very big, average sized, and small support projects. Most of the projects required internal and external resources from various functional areas, and not all the projects were under his immediate control, nor did they have resources that reported into him in all cases. To make matters worse, information about the projects were scattered in meetings, emails, documents, contracts, and another program manager even set up a SharePoint site to track the project status reports online. This pilot of SharePoint went nowhere, as it was a different process that his team members were not used to following on other projects. Andy's organization is interested in looking at Agile as an alternative framework, but he realizes that it will take some time to get there and that not all projects should follow the same methodology or framework. Andy's environment is making him very unhappy, and it is very difficult for him to track visibility to his progress. Sometimes projects start up without any official approval or business case, and some projects are simply not aligned with the organization's strategy. These unnecessary projects create a misalignment of resources and limited organizational agility. Furthermore, the various spreadsheets, meetings, and multiple systems for tracking the same information have made it nearly impossible to easily collect the status of all the projects. Andy hopes to implement a new methodology that will help to tackle these problems, and his first goal is to start using Milestones PM Plus as an anchor for adoption for his team to track project health, budgets, and schedules in one centralized repository. Andy selected the Milestones PM Plus platform and had it implemented and trained by Passage Technology in just a few weeks. And so far, it's been a huge success. Andy's found success in many areas, but particularly enjoys the fact that he can now maintain different portfolios segmented in different ways. He implemented a new process of scoring and selecting the right projects. All his projects are now aligned to goals, and he uses backlog items to keep track of the value being delivered for each of his projects. He created a new project initiation process to ensure that projects get started the right way And he has the tools now to monitor what's been planned for each of his products and stakeholders' needs. Andy has enhanced the organization's maturity by ensuring that the right things are getting done right and the organization's strategy is tightly aligned. One of Andy's major problems were lack of visibility to progress. With Milestones PM Plus, Andy can now provide leadership with timely and accurate dashboards and views of project-related information. Here is just one of the main views in Milestones PM Plus that Andy's leadership team can now view. More detailed information is available for Andy's team, such as portfolios, programs, goals, projects, backlog items, tasks, as well as time and expense entry. The information can be consumed by Andy on demand in the form of an online report or scheduled for delivery to his inbox. The views also look great on a mobile device. All information is exposed as an embeddable chart, Gantt, or list view. Another problem Andy had is having to say which projects to tackle and when. As Andy's company strategy shifted, or his resources shifted, Andy not only had visibility to this information in Milestones PM Plus, but he could score and organize his portfolio of work to generate dynamic bubble charts, which could easily be configured to graph projects or backlog items along a dynamic spectrum of categories such as investment size, risk, organization impact score, or any of an unlimited number of measures. Legends are completely configurable to meet his needs, and information hover-overs provide additional information. Another problem that Andy had in the past was how to balance his team's project work. Since Andy had resources committed to work on his projects that don't work for the company or his department, having visibility into the resource pool had been difficult. In Milestones PM Plus, no matter what type of resource you want to manage, whether it's human capital, a material item, an independent consultant, a vendor, or an employee, all these types of resources are available in Milestones PM Plus. And Milestones PM makes it easy to define a resource pool and align them to skills and projects. Also, Andy did not have to worry about buying a license for resources that he simply wanted to track availability of. Andy can now easily create a custom report that shows the resource demand on any dimension. He now has resource reports to address any resourcing dilemma. Andy's reports can be configured to work with any time dimension, for resources in any organization, or for projects in any life cycle phase. Andy can also see who is over and under allocated by using simple color coding rules. Exception reports can be custom created to alert Andy who's over allocated before the work even starts. Being an agilist at heart, Andy didn't have the power or patience in his organization to train and coach every single person on the team's new methodology. As someone who has years of project management experience for different organizations, Andy appreciated Milestones PM Plus because he knows that no one methodology is perfect and every project type requires a slightly different approach. Before Milestones PM Plus, Andy had separate applications managing all the work efforts in his organization. He had one system to track support tickets, one system for tracking project requests, a few spreadsheets here and there, and plenty of wish list items from dozens of customer meetings. Andy understood that most of all, there is no one-size-fits-all approach. So with Milestones PM Plus, Andy can now leverage an agile or traditional approach and can configure the system to support each methodology or focus on just one. Before he finalized his decision to use Milestones PM Plus, Andy wanted to know how could Milestones PM be this flexible? How could the software be any good at any one methodology if it supported multiple? Andy had learned that Passage Technology had engineered Milestones PM Plus to be 100% native to the Salesforce.com platform. What this means in layman's terms is that any business analyst, project manager, administrator, or developer could easily install the application, learn its core concepts in a few days, and finally could configure the system to support one-time usage of the system and be useful over its life. Andy uses the product to support a methodology practicing the Scrum framework, and his team still embraces the concepts of the PMI project management body of knowledge for other more predictable projects. Using Milestones PM Plus, Andy now has the leverage he needs to allow for a flexible and transforming work environment where he can maintain project visibility in one repository, reduce applications that his team logs into, and ensure that the team can be focused and nimble as possible. Before using Milestones PM Plus, Andy had difficulty monitoring the health of his projects. He wasn't sure which projects were in trouble, as well as which projects had resource problems or other issues. Now, with Milestones PM Plus, Andy has all the project information at his fingertips. All the lower-level project details, such as iterations, milestones, tasks, time entries, expenses, project log items such as risks and issues and change requests, and status reports, get aggregated to the level that makes sense for him and his leadership team. He can easily put together status reports at the click of a button and can create role-specific dashboards for all of his projects based on the metrics he cares to see. Moreover, Andy can easily see when he's going over budget or when his teams are behind schedule. Using our backlog items object, he can report not only on the progress of projects, but also on the deliverables or the output his team is producing that is of value to his stakeholders. Because Milestones PM is an open database, he can easily integrate with third-party data sources and also foster a real-time collaborative culture through the use of Chatter, a social media client. Andy has also had problems with monitoring his project schedules. As the scope or resources have changed, impacts then occur to the projects. Before using Milestones PM Plus, each project manager on Andy's team used spreadsheets, Outlook calendars, and Word documents to keep track of schedules, and nobody could track impacts between the projects. Now, all the project schedules are shared for Andy and his team to review. Andy can view the schedules at an iteration or phase level or at a milestone and task level. The schedules can be easily drilled into to show the relevant data record, and time granular can be easily changed from daily all the way up to quarterly. Andy even has access to his team's projects, iterations, and tasks in a calendar format. Now Andy can see the impact on project end dates when his team experiences issues or any resources availability does change. Overall, Andy has been happy with his decision to use Milestones PM Plus. It has addressed all the challenges he'd been facing, plus gives him the added capability to manage all the ideas, products, customer needs, and internal projects in his organization effectively. He can ensure strategic alignment, build release plans, and ensure the right projects are initiated. Not to mention, his team can get more work done than ever before. He has had fewer troubled projects, which leads to happier customers and stakeholders. His team is now undergoing an agile transformation and will soon be able to consistently deliver better results. With that, I'd like to turn it over to Brent Gossett to answer some of the questions for you.
Thanks, Jerry. So why Milestones PM Plus? For one, the platform is successfully in use by over 600 plus Salesforce customers. We'd love to take full credit for this, but the reality is that Milestones PM Plus is a social phenomenon. It's the #1 most popular native project management application on the AppExchange due to its support by the community as an open source Force.com Labs application. Many organizations use the product day in and day out to plan and execute their initiatives. Technology firms, professional service firms, not-for-profits, telecommunication firms, manufacturers, and public institutions depend on it daily. Second, Passage Technology's customer focus is razor-focused on PPM solutions and meeting the needs of our customers. And now, because of premium support that we offer as part of Milestones PM Plus will be even more powerful. Third, our tight integration with Salesforce.com and our ongoing release plan are sure to impress and deliver on the results for your organization. And we'll go into that in a little bit more detail in the next slide. Lastly, our flexible and rich data model will help to ensure that you have all your bases covered to get your projects managed with success. On the last slide, we mentioned how great our support is, and we'd like to tell you some more information on our support model. First, we're ready to help. From strategic planning to reacting to emergency, our support plans will cover you in both areas, and we're there for you and ready to support you. We also have deep expertise on the platform. All of our resources are certified on the Salesforce.com platform and are certified in at least one project management methodology. We have strong SLAs as proven by our performance, and we've demonstrated our ability to respond quickly and act as a valued business partner to our existing customers, where we've consistently beat our service level agreements. On average, we resolve all cases, no matter the severity or complexity, within 10 days. We won't leave you hanging. We also don't use a one-size-fits-all approach. We help find the best solution for you, not just for us. If you end up spending less, that's great. We also have managed releases as part of our support process, where we leverage the latest innovations from community development as well as our own internal development. And we release new major functionality at least 3 times a year. Throughout a release cycle, we'll automatically push out any minor improvements or bug fixes. For customers transitioning from Milestones PM to Milestones PM Plus, realize that you'll be upgrading from basic project management to a more robust solution that offers support for multiple methodologies and has extensions into portfolio and program management. Milestones PM Plus also adds significant functionality in the form of demand management and project and request scoring features, and also adds methods to track strategic alignment. Milestones PM Plus also adds a new resource capability that's the basis for extending all of our future resource availability and capacity features. Additionally, we've added in a product called Roll-Up Helper that's embedded and nominated for the Grab the Gold competition currently that will give you a powerful user interface for rolling up project-related metrics to wherever you need them in your Salesforce.com organization. No additional coding needed. It's just an additional admin screen to set up the roll-up. Lastly, Milestones PM Plus adds premium support and the ability of add-on features that you may not currently have in your organization. We strive to be constantly innovating and integrating the latest and greatest ideas from our customer base as well as the community of Milestones PM into our product. We use our own product to facilitate a rapid and tightly integrated development process. Your feedback is crucial to ensuring that we continue to innovate on the platform. And we take all feedback seriously. In most cases, we'll turn into backlog items for us to prioritize as part of our release plan in our internal resource assignment. We currently conduct weekly sprint planning sessions to make sure we're making the progress we need to according to our release plan and rolling out those quarterly improvements. All of this culminates in a process where we give you 3 priority-driven releases each year. We periodically publish a release plan to our existing customers. As mentioned before, we target 3 releases a year, and we also make sure that any Salesforce.com release is tested against our product. During our most recent summer 2012 release, which is available now on the App Exchange, you can see on the graphic all the great advancements that we've made. We've made many improvements to the existing open source offering by offering demand management, portfolio management, and program management, to name a few. Milestones PM Plus is now highly secure and compliant across many of the popular browsers that are available, including IE 7 Plus, as well as Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. And we also want to make sure that our application stays and remains a trusted application, so we continue to test our application for vulnerabilities such as cross-site scripting. Coming in the fall of 2012, we plan to launch an idea exchange where we can have a more social interaction around our backlog items, and as well as making this capability available for our customers to extend a portal-like function for their own customers or internal stakeholders to collect feedback on the backlog items that they may be interested in focusing on, or the projects in their pipeline, to help them build and prioritize a backlog of work. We also are adding advanced budget management features and building out an online user guide to help our customers become even more successful with using our product. To request a new feature, today is currently as easy as submitting a new case to support@passagetech.com. We'd like to close out the presentation by briefly mentioning our services. Our services include the application installation and setup. And if you have Salesforce.com specialists on your staff, we can be engaged as advisors to help them install add-ons, carry out upgrades, or configure the system to meet your needs. If you want a soup-to-nuts implementation, including methodology coaching, we can help you with this to get a truly integrated solution out the door. We are so confident in our ability to deliver that we're now offering fixed-fee engagements to turn your organization on to Milestones PM Plus and keep costs to a minimum. Lastly, I also wanted to point out that we encourage you to take advantage of our training options to keep upfront and ongoing costs low for your organization. Configuration is usually required to align your portfolio and project management processes to the application. Our pricing is based on no user minimums, and you can have unlimited projects in the product. We can offer bundled discounted pricing on professional services, licensing, and support for additional discounts. Remember to take advantage of our fixed fee engagements for qualifying customers.
Okay, I just wanted to mention that what we're interested in now is if you see a need for Milestones PM Plus, if you feel like it's the right fit for your organization, we do offer free project management consultations. So as a next step, you can contact us about a free project management consultation. We'll be able to listen to you attentively to find out what your needs are specifically, determine if our product is the right fit for you and how it should be implemented. And you know, as Brent was mentioning earlier, the configuration is usually needed to make sure that the solution aligns with your portfolio and project management process as well as our data model. And we've also found that customers who take advantage of our implementation services do benefit the most. And with that, and with the absence of any other questions, thank you very much for your time today on this Milestones PM Plus webinar. And I just wanted to thank everyone for your attendance, and that concludes our webinar. Have a great day.